Are you looking for the best printers for small business? In this video we will look at some of the best printers for small business on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Canon imageCLASS MF743CDW. The best laser printer for small business use we've tested is the Canon imageCLASS MF743CDW. This bulky all-in-one comes with an automatic document feeder for those long, double-sided documents that need scanning. If you need to scan something too thick to fit in the feeder, there's a large flatbed scanner to meet those needs. You can print thousands of pages before the toner cartridges run out, meaning you won't have to buy replacements too often. It's especially nice since the cartridges can get expensive, especially if you're buying all of them at once. It prints monochrome and color documents very quickly, so you won't have to wait too long for those. While laser printers are known for being bad at photo printing, this one prints images with a surprising amount of detail, and its colors are decently accurate too. Unfortunately, it's a bit slow at printing single-page documents if your printer has been idle for over an hour, which isn't great if you tend to print one-pagers every few hours. Also, its flatbed scanner maxes at 600 dpi, which isn't enough for photo touch-ups or enlargements. That said, it's more than fine for document scanning. If you're looking for an all-in-one color laser printer, it's a fantastic choice. Number 2. Canon MAXIFY GX7020. The best all-in-one printer for small business setups we've tested is the Canon MAXIFY GX7020. This inkjet printer uses a refillable supertank ink system to give you incredibly high page yields and a superbly low cost per print, which reduces maintenance. It's very fast at printing single pages even after the printer has been idling for an hour, and its touchscreen display is easy to navigate. The printer feels excellently well-built, sturdy, and it gives easy access to paper jams on the rear. The flatbed scanner has a good scan resolution and color depth, and its automatic document feeder supports duplex scanning to process double-sided documents. It can fax and has outstanding connectivity options, including Ethernet, Wi-Fi Direct or router, and Apple AirPrint and Mopria print service. It can also print directly from USB flash drives. Unfortunately, it prints only decent-looking photos, with only satisfactory color accuracy, and a lot of grain, but should still work fine for casual use. Also, while it prints impressively quickly overall, it's still slower to print documents than other options. However, it has a large input tray capacity, and is compatible with many paper formats, making it a fantastic printer for small or home offices, and one of the best inkjet printers we've tested. Number 3. Canon imageCLASS MF445DW. The best small business printer for black and white printing we've tested is the Canon imageCLASS MF445DW. This monochrome laser model can print many pages before you need to worry about buying a new toner cartridge, which saves you a lot of money in the long run. While the cartridge is a bit expensive, it includes the drum unit, so you won't need to replace it separately later. It prints pretty quickly at 28 ppm, which is great if you're waiting on having your document in hand to continue with another task. It's very quick at printing single pages too, even if the printer has been idle for over 1 hour. There's a flatbed scanner and an automatic document feeder for scanning, whether it's a textbook, manual, or stack of loose sheets. It can even scan double-sided, so you won't have to flip any pages over. Unfortunately, its flatbed scanner scans at a max of 600 dpi, which isn't enough for photo editing and retouches, but it's more than fine for document scanning. Of course, since it's a monochrome printer, it can't print in color, and photos are very grainy. However, if you don't need to include color or photos in any of your documents, this is a great choice, and it's one of the best office printers we've tested. Number 4. Brother MFCL2710DW. If you prefer something cheaper for black and white printing, check out the Brother MFCL2710DW. It doesn't yield as many pages at the Canon imageCLASS MF445DW, and its automatic document feeder doesn't support duplex scanning. However, it's cheaper, and its flatbed scanner has a higher scan resolution. It takes a bit longer to warm up, but subsequent pages print faster, which is good if you often print lengthy reports or papers. Even though its page yields are much lower, its cost per print is only marginally higher due to the much cheaper cartridges, which might be better if you don't plan to print very high volumes. If you prioritize large page yields and being able to quickly scan double-sided documents, go with the Canon. If you need something cheaper and need a higher resolution scan, go with the Brother. Number 5. Brother MFC J4335DW. The best small office printer in the budget category we've tested is the Brother MFC J4335DW. This all-in-one color inkjet feels very well built and gives easy access to the ink cartridges and potential paper jams. It has a decent display screen alongside a full physical keypad and navigation buttons that make it easy to navigate print and scan tasks. Like the Brother MFC J805DW iinkvestment tank that it replaces, it uses the iinkvestment tank, a hybrid cartridge tank system for excellent page yields at a superb cost per print. This helps you stay within your budget, and you can also go longer without replacing the cartridges. It has a flatbed scanner with a high scan resolution, an automatic document feeder, and built-in fax if you need it, and it warms up to print documents very quickly. Connectivity is great, including Wi-Fi and an Ethernet port. Unfortunately, it can't print directly from external media like USB flash drives, which is limiting in some situations. Also, it's slow at printing pictures, and the photo quality is only alright, with washed-out blacks and plenty of grain throughout the photo. On the bright side, the accuracy of printed colors is decent, good for printing logos or labels. All in all, this printer is great for a small business on a budget.